Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can send the disappeared messages, photos or videos on the Instagram. To know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. For that, make sure your Instagram is updated to the latest version. For that, you can simply go on the Google Play Store or App Store and tap on the update option if there is any available. Now simply open your Instagram, log into your credentials, and when you go to the chat section, you can simply choose a person where you want to speak, send the messages, and you want it to disappear. Now when you just swipe it up, just any when you just swipe up the text of any person you want to send the disappearing messages to, you can simply turn on the vanish mode like I did. So it shows that seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. So we can simply chat anything we want to send the photos. We can go to the gallery from here, and videos also you can choose the camera section right here. And after you have sent the photos and you want it to disappear, you can simply swipe it up. So just send it and swipe it up. And when you tap on the release to turn off vanish mode, your vanish mode is turned off like you can see. So just like this, all the messages that you just sent, even that's text, photos or videos, will all be deleted. That's how you can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.